Hey guys, I'm here at BakeBe. It's a co-baking space in Hong Kong. So this year I decided to bake my own birthday cake and I just chose the easiest one obviously because it's my first time baking a legit cake. So anyway, let's get started and see how this turns out. Okay, first step, prepare all the ingredients. Place the large sieve on top of the mixing bowl and you sift the cocoa powder, baking powder, cornstarch and flour together. And yeah, I literally just found out that I can't just put everything together all at once. Next, pour the milk and whipping cream to the bowl of butter and heat it for 30 seconds. Okay, so now add the egg and sugar into the bowl and whisk it for 3 minutes. Alright, so now pour half of mixture 1, the one that has cocoa powder, into the bowl and using a spatula, mix the batter in a letter J motion.
A few moments later.
Okay, as you can see, I am starting to get tired. It's actually quite hard, guys, for a beginner. And when you feel like it, add the remaining mixture to the bowl and just keep stirring.
One eternity later.
Okay, it's getting thicker, so we can add a small amount of the cake batter to the reserved butter. Pour the mixture to the bowl and you know what to do, mix it a few more times. Now pour the cake batter to the tray with the paper on the surface. Just make sure that all corners are filled and evenly spread. Then put it in the oven and leave it for 28 minutes. Okay, now prepare icing sugar, butter and hazelnut paste. Add them all together into the bowl and whisk it for 30 seconds and another 2 minutes. Alright, next step is we are gonna make the icing piping bag. Okay, so now place the alphabet card on top of the cake and I chose S obviously. So now cut the cake accordingly and well, it's not that easy guys, it took me forever. And then take the cake out of the tray using a pastry scraper and then decorate the first layer with the hazelnut paste. So now take out the second layer. Obviously I failed because the first one, the BakeBe stuff helped me. And now it's almost torn apart. I'm panicking. Anyway, just decorate it again and guys, it's actually harder than it seems. I just couldn't seem to make the perfect shape with that paste. I don't know why. But yeah, I think my pro tip would be just follow your instincts when it comes to decorating a cake. And maybe you could also add some more sprinkles. Finally guys, it's my birthday cake. Oh my god, I'm so proud. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I hope you all enjoyed. Bye.